Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Today, I'd like to share a little tip about the mind. You see, most people don't understand how the mind works, and we weren't born or given a user's manual for the mind. So I had a client this week who said, I'd die if I had to get up and do some public speaking. And I'm sure many of you know, or you may have this fear yourself, that the fear of public speaking is about the number one or number two fear that we have. So the reason this happens is every thought that you think produces a physical and emotional response in your body. So when you say something like, I would die if I had to do public speaking, imagine the emotional response in your body. First of all, your body is going to contract, physically tense up. And secondly, your brain is going to produce chemicals that match those words and will create an emotion, and you will feel probably nervous, anxious, or fearful. And the thing is, no amount of logic, so no amount of talking yourself out of a strong emotion will help you overcome it. So the key here is to change the words that you say to yourself so that your brain produces better chemicals that produce a better feeling. And because the brain is motivated towards pleasure and away from pain, it's going to be easier to do the thing that you had a fear of if you program yourself with better words. So instead of saying you die if you were going to go public speaking, change it to something like, every day I am becoming more confident with being able to speak publicly. If you say that enough, so you start to build in a bit of a new belief, your brain will create better chemicals that will be a better feeling. Then you could perhaps take it to the next level with a bit of practice with public speaking. You can do it at home. You might then go, I am learning to enjoy public speaking. And again, your body is going to create different chemicals that will allow you to feel better. And once you feel better, you will be more able to imagine and actually be able to do public speaking. And ultimately, practice is also an essential ingredient to any success in life. But be careful of the words you say, because they produce a physical and emotional response in your body that matches the words. So if you want to change your results, change the words and the stories that you tell yourself. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.